Ciao everyone, my name is Eleonora and I'm an Italian watercolorist. So we are approaching Christmas, which is a very busy period of the year, and so we haven't got maybe so much time for painting. But at the same time, it's something that we can take as an occasion for practicing a little bit of watercolor, especially if we want to paint, for example, a Christmas cards for our relatives, friends, our beloved ones. And to me, yeah, it's a very good opportunity if I want to paint and to practice a little bit of the colors of winter. And this is why I just wanted to share with you this class in which we are going to paint this Christmas card. It's a very simple landscape. We have a lot of elements anyway, like the sunset, we have the trees, we have the reflection of water, and of course we have snow. And it's also very quick, so you can realize this painting in less than 45 minutes. So if you're ready and you're looking for something nice to paint in this period of the year, which is very cold, at least here in Italy, grab your brushes, your paper, and of course your colors, and let's do this.